All Brothers Roadside. If you ain't making money while having fun, what are you doing?
The utilization of your car is very important to sustain good battery life. If your car tends to sit more than you drive it, best believe it's draining. If you have anything that's 2007 or above that has technology that consumes more power just from the car sitting, every 1 or 2 weeks, what you want to do, every 1 to 2 weeks, what you want to do is go out to your garage, go out to the curb, start your car, let it idle for about 15 minutes. Now what this does, it helps recycle the power that was lost during the time that the car was sitting. So don't cause any mishaps with your battery, because the more it sits, the more issues you're going to have. And the more issues, the more batteries you're going to need. Batteries typically last for 4 to 5 years, but you can get more years out of your battery by utilizing your battery. And by utilizing your battery, you're utilizing your car. The more the car sits, the more the car will drain. So, take it from All Brothers. We're here giving car tips, battery tips, repair tips on such things as jump starts, tire changes, car unlocks, and all sorts of preventive maintenance here on All Brothers Roadside.
You lock your keys in the car and you call All Brothers for the assist. Let's get to it. Okay, guys and girls, we on the scene doing what we do. San Francisco, Moscone Center. Manager of the center locked your keys in the car. Honda Pilot. What can we do? We do what we do. So check it out. Make sure you have your long reach in your bladder bag, which you'll need to put between the door frame and the door to provide a gap to put your long reach tool inside and unlock that lock. Let's see how long this will take here on All Brothers Roadside. Not only do we help with your car problem, but we are good listeners. While I'm opening the door, remember explaining to me her situation of the day. So try to be good listeners and provide a good solution, no matter the cause. It's time to pop this vehicle smooth open. And there you have it. You don't have to stress when you call the best. All Brothers Roadside. Give us a call, we do it all. Remember said, hold on, I have something for you. Come back with a beverage of some sorts. But I'll take it, it's sealed. Money is preferred. But I'll take water, take snacks, take anything that's willing to save me from spending my money here on the roadside. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like, or do whatever you do. Just stay true to yourself. Peace, and I'm out.
The purpose of me starting a roadside business, if you really want to know, for the money.